Welcome to Mackie Study Circle channel. In this video, we shall see how to do the computer drafting of the orthographic projection of solids using the Solid Edge software. Here, a pentagonal pyramid, 25 sides of base and 50 axis length, rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So we can observe that the type of solid given to us is a pentagonal pyramid whose edge length measures 25 and also the axis measures 50 However, the resting condition is not given here, but there is a hint which tells that it is resting on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. So the pyramid can rest on HP on one of its slant triangular faces when it is resting initially on one of its edges only. So this is the clue to rest the pyramid initially on one of its edges. And also with respect to the VP, it appears to be inclined, that is the axis appears to be inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. So here the given angle itself is the beta angle because the word appears has been used. So with this data, let us see how to draft the solution for this problem statement. Let us begin by drawing a xy line of thickness 0.18 So draw a line of any arbitrary length and annotate the line as x and y, and also the reference planes as VP and HP. So now we shall proceed to draw the top view of the pentagonal pyramid. So for that, let us select the line of thickness 0.50 and construct the pentagon first. 25, the angle is 72. Initial angle was 0, the second angle was 72. Next, edge length is 25, 72 into 2. Next, 25 was the edge length, while the angle is 72 into 3, followed by 25, and the angle is minus 72 or 72 into 4. So we have completed the construction of the pentagon. Now let us select the pentagon and rotate this as per the requirement. So select the rotate option and also choose the midpoint from the IntelliSketch. So from this corner, join to the midpoint of the opposite edge and then rotate this until you see that the angle of rotation is 90 degrees, or you get to see this median is parallel to the xy line. So now let me press enter and then place the pyramid. So let me just move this so that we can draw the projection lines comfortably. So now let us draw the diagonals. So for that, select the corner and join the line in such a way that it is bisecting the opposite edge. Do this for all the corners. Now use the trim option and trim the medians of this triangles. So we are left out with one more corner. Okay, so with this we complete the top view of the pentagon pyramid. So now let us annotate. Let us tell that it is resting on one of its edges AB, followed by the other corners CD and D. Also, O is the apex of the pyramid, while O1 is the center of the base of the pyramid. So now let us just keep the midpoint off so that it is not interfering with the projection lines. So now let us draw the projection lines of thickness 0.13 to get the front view from each of the corners and as well as the apex. So from the axis, from the point O, let us draw the axis which is equal to 50 Use the center line. Now let us complete the base of the pyramid. So select 0.50 thickness line and connect all the endpoints of the projections that we have drawn, and then connect those endpoints to the endpoints of the projections. So this completes the front view of the pyramid. Now let us annotate this. So here is the O dash, which is the apex and then this is the O1 dash, which is the axis originating point from the base of the pyramid. Here the corner B dash is visible to the observer. Later on it is the corner A dash, so it is inside the bracket. Similarly here it is corner C dash that is visible first, followed by the corner E dash inside the bracket, and here it is D dash. So now we have to rotate this in such a way that it is resting on one of its slant triangular faces. So the slant triangular faces OAB. So this is the top view. So this is the front view. So now we are going to rotate this pyramid in such a way that it is resting on this slant face OAB. So that is O dash, B dash, A dash will be on this XY line. So now let us select the front view of the pyramid along with all the edges and the annotations. Make it rigid before we move it to the next position. I'm skipping the rigid set part here to reduce the length of the video. So now let us go for move option. Ensure the copy is on, and keeping B dash A dash as the reference point, let us just move this towards the right hand side of the XY line and then rotate using B dash A dash as the first point of rotation and O dash as the second point of rotation, and then make sure it is rotated in such a way that it is resting on this slant triangular face AOB. Okay, so now let us just move this so that we have got sufficient place for the next positions to be drawn. So place all the annotations pertaining to the front view only above the XY line. So this completes the condition where it is resting on one of its slant triangular faces. Now for completing the top view, let us draw the projection lines. So use a line of thickness 0.13 mm. Draw the projection lines. So from D dash, from C dash, E dash, from O dash, so now let us just try to connect this. So O dash is here, O1 dash that is, and next is O dash. Similarly, AB is here, then from the corner E, corner C, then the corner D is this point of intersection. So now let us complete the top view. So for that, let us select the line of thickness 0.50 mm. So let us begin with the resting edge, that is AB, followed by B to corner C, and C to the corner D, which is the point of intersection, then D to corner E, and E to corner A. So now let us join the outer edges, that is the slant edges from each of the corners. So the farthest corner points were B dash and A dash. So from here there will be the hidden edges. So from A dash to O dash it will be the hidden edges. Similarly from B dash to O it will be the hidden edges. And this is the point O1 dash. Okay. So now let us just annotate this. So this is the apex O, while this is the center point of the base of the pyramid, which is O1. Similarly, here we have got the corner B, and this is the corner A, followed by the corner C, and then this is the corner E, and this is the corner D. Now let us use the trim option. Trim the projection lines which is not required for us. So with this we complete the top view. So we'll just select this part and make it a center line to just show that it is the axis line. So select this line and make it a center line. And then from this point to this point, let us join this using a continuous line of thickness 0.13, so that we get this unique point O1 for the next position. So place this annotations in the suitable positions so that there are no confusions. So this is the top view of the pentagonal pyramid with its resting condition. That is, you can see here BOA is lying on the HP. So next we'll go for the next position. That is, the axis is inclined or appears to be inclined to the VP at an angle of 45 degrees. So for this, let us construct a 45-degree line. So we are not constructing the beta angle separately here because the given angle itself is the beta angle. So on this 45-degree line, we have to incline the axis. So for that, let us select the pentagon pyramid along with all the outer edges and the inner edges along with the annotations on the axis line. So now select the move option, ensure the copy is on. So keeping O as the reference, I'm going to place the point O on the 45-degree line, and then I'll use the rotate option. So keeping O as the first point of rotation and O1 as the second point of rotation, and ensuring the copy is off, I'm going to rotate the pyramid. So this is the inclination that I'm going to get when it is inclined with the axis at an angle of 45 degrees with respect to the VP. So now to get the front view, let us draw the projection lines. So O dash, B dash, A dash is all on the XY line. So let us draw the vertical projections. So O dash is here, and then A is here, B dash is also here. So now let us take up the next edges, that is C dash and E dash. So it will stop somewhere here. So from the corner C, let us try to intersect this. Then E is also going to start from this point only. That is, it will be slightly overlapping on the projection from the corner A. And similarly for corner D, let us draw the horizontal projection, and then corner D is almost overlapped by this projection from the corner B. Use the trim option, trim the projection lines which is not required for us, and also from O1. Okay, so with this we have completed the projections from both the front view and this top view. So now we are going to complete the front view of this pentagonal pyramid. So select the line option of thickness 0.50 mm. Now we have got the point of intersections. So now let us complete the front view. So let us select the line of thickness 0.50 mm. So let us begin from the corner A. The corner B is here. From corner B, we will have to move towards the corner C, which is lying here. From corner C, corner D, and then back to corner E, and then from corner E to A. So this completes the face, the bottom face of the pyramid, which is completely visible to the observer. So now let us draw the outer edges. So from C dash to O dash, and then O dash to B dash and A dash will be here. And then this will be a hidden line. So for that, let us select the hidden line. So that is from the corner E dash to O dash will be the hidden line. And similarly, this will also be a hidden line which will be overlapping on this edge line. So with this we complete the front view. So now let us annotate. So this is the corner D dash, and this is the apex O dash, and this is the corner C dash, this is the corner E dash, this is the corner A dash, followed by the corner B dash. So now we need to show the axis line. So for that, let us select the line and then thickness 0.13, and the type of line is the center line. So from this point O dash to O, this will be the axis line, which will be again overlapping on this edge. So now we can just observe how the pyramid is resting on one of its slant triangular faces, that is A dash, B dash, O dash, as per the required condition. So with this we complete the construction. We can indicate the direction of the projection lines using the leader option. For the given problem statement, thank you all for watching.